Our goal of power for all, affordable power for all, quality power for all is achievable by 2019. We need to look at innovative solutions which are cost effective, which can be immediately scaled up, get the benefits of economies of scale, see how we can do the work transparently, honestly, and give equal opportunity to all.
After the years of invested efforts to understand the challenges to access energy, SunMoksha Power Private Limited has developed a holistic solution named Smart NanoPower with the systems approach to address these challenges.
Smart NanoGrid is an IoT and IT enabled solution which ensures a reliable, predictable power and citizen-centric power supply. People not only get reliable and predictable power, but they can also schedule their needs, power supply when they need the power, and manage their bills, look at their power consumption online, pay their bills through a very simple mobile app, which we have made such that it is language independent.
So this model, so far whatever has been installed, it is definitely working well, and in future also we would like to replicate this in other villages.
Direct impact is on livelihood of the beneficiaries, where they see rise in their income and reduced food wastage and distress selling. Creation of non-agro livelihood and enterprise activities will also reduce the pressure on agriculture, as well as will prevent migration of youth from rural to urban areas.
NIST has provided the basic living laboratory, as we call it. And the idea of a living laboratory is that every technology, before it is deployed, is first tested in the laboratories and in the field level at NIST for all possible troubles, obstacles and ramifications.
Our solution is scalable, sustainable and replicable. We are monitoring it remotely, we are providing technical support remotely, and that makes it sustainable because only the locals are needed to run this project. I don't need to have engineers in the village to run these projects, and we develop the skills, we create the micro enterprises, so the entire financial sustainability also comes for the village.
This innovation fulfills the need of reliable, quality power supply with microgrids, operational efficiency, skill development for livelihood, and viable business models for sustainable economic development.
So our aim is that this technology which we have deployed at Turkey is a very scalable idea which can really take India by storm.
Well, I was most impressed with the village smart grid that one of the innovation companies just showed me.